Is your business prepared for the next cyber attack? In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity threats are evolving faster than ever before, putting your sensitive data and customer trust at risk. 51sec Consulting, building confidence through cybersecurity. At 51sec Consulting, we take a proactive and strategic approach to cybersecurity, minimizing your risk against constantly evolving threats. Our comprehensive protection aligns perfectly with your business goals. Our access control and identity management solutions deploy strong controls while applying the principle of least privilege to reduce security vulnerabilities. We protect your network perimeter using advanced firewalls and intrusion detection systems, while our managed services identify and address threats on individual devices for complete endpoint protection. Based in Toronto, our cybersecurity consulting service specializes in thorough network security audits that fortify your digital defenses, identify vulnerabilities, and deliver comprehensive reports. Our identity and access management solutions ensure secure user identity management with mandatory multi-factor authentication to bolster your security posture. We implement comprehensive security measures, from advanced threat detection to continuous monitoring, providing the best protection for your business against cyber threats. Our vulnerability management service identifies areas vulnerable to attack and supports you in strengthening these gaps, giving you a thorough understanding of your organization's security posture. Our clients consistently praise our exceptional knowledge, depth of testing, and professional customer service that helps their organizations thrive in today's challenging security landscape. 51sec Consulting enables organizations to drive transformational change and improve operational strategies by building trust in systems, designs, and data to unlock business growth. Let's recap what makes 51sec Consulting your ideal cybersecurity partner. We take a proactive and strategic approach to minimize risks against evolving threats while aligning protection with your business goals. Our comprehensive services include access control and identity management, network and endpoint security, and vulnerability management, all designed to identify weaknesses and strengthen your security posture. By partnering with 51sec, you'll build trust in your systems, drive transformational change, and unlock business growth through enhanced security that your clients and stakeholders can depend on. Thank you for watching our presentation on 51sec Consulting. Remember, in today's digital landscape, cybersecurity isn't just an option. It's essential for building confidence in your business. Contact us today to start your journey toward comprehensive protection and peace of mind.